Hello everyone, my name is Zinab Abdulkadir, but everyone calls me Z. Today I'll be going over my video vlog number 4 for week 4 for information 685 for Dr. Williams' course from Mercer University. Today I'll be using our class textbook, System Analysis and Design, the 11th edition from Shelley Cashman's series to answer the question. So for this week's video vlog, Dr. Williams wanted us to pick 4 topics and record regarding these topics. The topics for this week's is the different type of testing and testing the systems. And the options that he provided was unit testing, integration testing, system testing, functional testing, system testing, stress testing, performance testing, and usability testing. The 4 that I'll be going over today is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and I'll also go over performance testing. So for testing the system, so basically these type of testing is basically when a programmer has to make sure that the functions of the software is working adequately. So in order to test this and see if it is working adequately, they must perform these tests and see if there's any errors or mistakes or corrections that can be made. So it is up to the responsibility of the programmer to correct the errors until the program is or the software is how they want it to be. For unit testing, for this one, it's just saying that it is only going to test the individual program or module, and the point of this is to identify and eliminate any areas or errors that could occur in the program and that can be missed during the desk checking phase. For integration testing, this type of testing is different. This is testing 2 or more programs that depend on one another. So for this, you cannot test one program independently. You have to because that's not going to guarantee that the data that you use for both the software or programs that they're going to be able to communicate within each other. So for testing the program by itself, the data will not be able to pass between them correctly. So it is important that when performing an integration test that that both pairs of programs can work together properly, showing that integration of 2 or more systems. So for example, if I was going to use application system that I needed to write certain communication between a physician and have that information transported into a CPOE system for ordering, then I must be able to use both systems simultaneously to see if the data that I inputted in one system is able to transfer to the other system without any errors. The third one that I'll be talking about is system testing. So system testing is performed on the entire system, and this is done after completing the integration testing. This basically processes situations and ensure that the user and the developer or the manager of the program meet all the requirements or specifications that are necessary for the features that have been included into the program. So, and the last one that I'll be speaking about is the performance testing. So the performance testing is basically the process of evaluating the quality or capability of the product. This can serve for different purposes and reasons. This can demonstrate the system to see if the system meets the performance criteria. It can also compare 2 systems to find which performance is better. It can measure which part of the system or a workload causes the system to perform badly. So with the system testing, you must go through each phases, where unit testing, you test one individual program. Integration testing is when you test 2 or more programs. System testing is when you test the whole entire information system together, and performance is the last stage in which you check how the performance of the system and is it able to do the capabilities that were required and specified during the start of this program application. Thank you.